Hello, friends. So, we have a 2014 Mercedes C300, and it has a lot of clear coat failure. This car also posed a lot of challenges for myself and my dad. Let's just say that it got a car lot cover up. Even though we tried and tried and tried and tried, it still did not work out. So, I'll just take you along with the process and let you see a lot of what we did and the final results. It was a mess. That car, oh my God. I don't know if this is a Mercedes problem or if the previous owner was the problem. I'm guessing it's the latter. All right, good morning. It is Tuesday morning. Life is not treating me very well today, but it is what it is. I'm here at work. Thankfully, my neighbor, the shop neighbor, he allowed us to put the black BMW in his shop last night because there's two of them. So we have two cars. Anyway, okay. I want you to see. We tried to sand this down and it went right through the paint. We don't know why a Mercedes would have such a thin coat on it, but it did. Anyway, so you can see where we had to paint. He had to call, get the paint made. And now I am here this morning because I had to get the black BMW out of my neighbor's shop so he could work. So I'm here working on this, and we're going to see if we can't. See, it looks wet in some spots, but that's just the red paint. I'm getting it's overspray, so I'm getting it off of here, and then we're going to clear coat it. But I might run a polisher over this finished part here. That way the clear coat is not, I don't know. I'm going to talk to him about it. Anyway, so it had to be repainted. This front end, you can see it. It had to be repainted. Alrighty, we are gonna finish up this hood. I need to, we have orange peel and stuff right here. We also have a run right there. And we have a run right here. And then again up there. So what we're going to do is buff it. Those are the instructions. Polish it and call it good. So when it came time to polish this vehicle, I wasn't sure exactly what I would mess up. And that's because of all the mess ups that we had already had. This car just did not cooperate, this car paint. So I thought, well, I'll go light and see if it cuts it enough to bring it back to a shine instead of having that fuzzy look. Well, it wasn't working out. It was kind of crazy. Anyway, so what I used was the waffle, or not the waffle pad, but I can't even remember the name of it. Anyway, I was not using that anymore. It did not do what I wanted it to do. So I got the cutting pad out, and I got the toughest one we have, and I prayed and prayed and prayed that it would cut and not go through that clear. And it actually did a really good job. So that's what I went with. And then I did a fine polish on it just to see if it was going to do what I had hoped it would do. And it did a great job. So I just stuck with the cutting pad. The challenges on this car made it made us nervous. It was like no matter what we did, it was going to be messed up. So you can just imagine how concerned I was taking a polisher to it. But it actually turned out pretty decent. Well, here's the final result. There's still some scratches and swirls, but it is what it is. It is for the car lot. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, guys. I sure do appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.